Thank you. Thank you. Murakoze cyane. Your Excellency, Madam First Lady, thank you so much for blessing us with your time at this first Lego League second edition final. I am Brian Shema, together with
Tracy Agasaro, and it is our honor to be the MCs today. Now, at this moment, it is my honor to welcome Amelia, the founder of STEM Inspires, to take us through the robot game.
Thank you. Well, it's such an honor to have you here. And as you can see, we're going to jump right in. We have 8 fields up here. And this is the robot field. So this is where the robots compete. Sort of like a football field, this is their game field. Each student has these kits that have been given to the schools, and they've been building these past 6 months these different robots any way they'd like. They have 2.5 minutes to try to score as many points on this field. And they have all these different designs. These here, you can see, are some attachments that they've created to complete these missions. So, for example, one of the missions would be to trigger this 3D cinema. And so that would get points. And there are 14 different missions on this field. And so when we have a timer, we'll say start. They have 2.5 minutes, and then they try to get as many points as they can on the field. That's, I think, so what we're gonna do today, we're gonna go through one match so you can see and witness it. These are the schools we have here. I'm not sure, can we put up the timer, if possible? Actually, let's put up the queuing. And you can see the teams that we have here, and then we'll get a match going. Yes, you can see them. They all are. Okay, what we're gonna do, we're gonna set the timer. Timer up. And it will be displayed up there, and then it'll have a countdown. Fantastic. Okay, are you teams ready? Okay. Owen, you want to start the timer? 3, 2, 1. The match begins. Okay, so as you can see here, we have different teams. This is a team from Nigeria, and they're going and completing these different tasks. These are the home bases. This is where they're allowed to touch the robot. They're not allowed to touch it anywhere else. And so they've been programming it. This is one team. This is another team over here. As you can see, they're changing their attachments in the corners. They pick them up and they put it down. So this one's going to do the sound mixer. They got some and they brought it down. Take a look over here. So they're going over here. These are the different attachments, and they're going to put them on. And they have different runs they programmed. So they had to deliver a little person, and they did that. Yep. One minute left on the clock. Here we have one of the primary schools, New Generation Academy. This is from 9 to 16 years old. And we have 100 schools in Rwanda doing this. So we had 6 regionals, and now we have the top teams coming here. They're pulling the boat. Team from Botswana. 20 seconds left on the clock.
And we have a win. A round of applause to the teams. A round of applause to the teams. Now at this moment, I would like to invite the Minister of Education, Gaspar Twadirayezu, for his remarks.
Your Excellency, First Lady, on behalf of all the students who are here in the room, the parents and the educators, I want to thank you very much for taking the time and come and join us in this final of the first Lego League and the AI Hackathon. Your Excellency, what you just saw is a final phase of a competition that we began last November. And it's a competition that has involved 100 schools here in Rwanda and different schools from across Africa. In this room, we have teams from Rwanda, teams from Botswana, teams from Nigeria, and teams from Uganda. And Your Excellency, as you have seen, we organize this in the form of a sports competition. And we do this because we want our students to discover the joy of working together, competing, learning, and develop that confidence that not only can we see our own challenges, but our students can also believe they can be the solution, to believe that they can provide the solution to the challenges that we have. Robotics and AI, these are new technologies, and we want our students to develop that confidence that even if it looks like a magic, but it's the magic that they can conquer. It's the magic that they can use to be able to solve the different challenges that we have here on the continent, but also elsewhere. And what you have seen, Your Excellency, these students over the last 6 months, they have been developing that spirit of working together as teams, but also, as you have seen, they have a timer. So meaning this is to simulate the real world. We never have enough time. So they have to figure out a solution in 2.5 minutes, and this is to ensure that they can also keep in mind that everything should be done its own time. Your Excellency, we would not have done this if it's not for the partners that we have. I would want to take a minute to recognize all the partners we have here in the room. I would start with the first Lego League. This is the second version of the competition that we have had, and it's been growing. And we hope that next year we'll outgrow this room and even find a bigger venue because we'll have more schools and hopefully more countries joining. I also want to thank Coderina, STEM Inspires, International Baccalaureate, and the Global Learning Council that have helped with the AI competition, the ICT Chamber, the Ministry of ICT and Innovation, the Rwanda Basic Education Board, and all the partners that I did not mention here, but who know that we are very grateful for their support. Your Excellency, this is not going to end in this competition, but we have also been working to ensure that these principles that you have seen here are also part of the curricula that we teach in our schools, so that our students can grow with that spirit, with that confidence that all these new technologies do not belong to a certain type of people, but this is something that they can also do and can use to solve our challenges. And now, Your Excellency, it's my pleasure to invite you to deliver your remarks to these future engineers. Thank you, sir.
Hello, good afternoon. First of all, I'm very happy to be here joining you and to witness what you've been doing that is of great interest to all of us, to the country. I know many other countries and our continent generally. So I congratulate you, I thank you for participation, I'm sure, and the competition. But I'm sure we will indeed have more people coming to be with us next time. I want to make sure that I don't forget anything, but I'm starting with thanking and congratulating particular countries that are here with us. That is Botswana, Nigeria, and Uganda. Thank you for being here. Robotics and artificial intelligence are outstanding ways to learn science, engineering, technology, and also teamwork. I'm very happy with the results of the National Robotics Program and the competition and the Artificial Intelligence Hackathon. I want to extend thanks and congratulations to the sponsors, organizers of the first Lego League, Global Learning Council, GIZ. If I've left any name, you will forgive me for that, but we thank you very much. Now, a very special thanks to our friends and the family who are Greg, Wyla, and Amelia. Thank you. These are part of us for many years. And they have brought this to happen with the other collaborators. So Greg and Amelia, we give you our special thanks. Something else. I want to make a small contribution toward this effort, especially to the participants, Rwandans, people from Botswana, from Nigeria, from Uganda, those who are with us. I want to make sure I work with the Minister of Education, our Minister of Education, and our Minister of ICT. But I will not bother you with the budget. It is I want to give our young people a laptop each of these participants. a computer, in other words. So, Minister of ICT, Minister of Education, just make sure you deliver my gifts to those who I'm referring to. I have the money in my pocket right here, so. So that's why I was saying I won't bother you with the budget and things. Don't. So I'll take care of it. And you remember I said, including those from other countries other than Rwanda. Yes. So, a happy weekend to you, and all the best to you all. Thank you.
Thank you so much, Your Excellency. May we kindly ask you to join us for the awarding ceremonies. Thank you. Thank you, thank you. Thank you so much, Your Excellency. May we kindly join us for the awarding ceremonies. Thank you.
DJ, are we ready to know who is winning tonight? Who is winning today? Who is winning today? Who is winning? So we have different categories. We have the national champion. We're going to be having the international champion and the AL Hackathon champion as well. So, right about now, DJ Ira, we need the energy. Right about now, the first Lego League national champion. Who is it going to be? 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 At this moment, the first Lego League national champion winner is Chris Roy Team 1. Let's give it up for them.
Ladies and gentlemen, the winners of the first Lego League National is Chris Roy Team 1.
Let's give them a round of applause. Let's celebrate them. Let's celebrate them. Now we have our champions, the national champions.
Kindly join His Excellency and Madam First Lady for your award and the trophy. Please, one more time, give it up for Chris Roy Team 1.
Yes, the winners for this year, 2024 First Lego League National Champions. Let's give them a round of applause. Let's celebrate them. Let's celebrate them. And now they take a picture. Let's give it up one more time for the national champions.
Murabona amarira y'ibyishimo kuri Chris Roy Team 1.
Tubishimire tubakomera amashyi. Yes, those are our champions.
Thank you.
Thank you very much.
And congratulations once again to Chris Roy Team one,
One.
you are the champions of National First Lego League. And now we're headed to the First Lego League International Champion.
Are we ready?
Ladies and gentlemen, the winners of First Lego League International Champion is Federal Government College of Niger. Federal Government College, congratulations. You are the FLL International Champion. Federal Government College.
Let's celebrate them to Bishimide. And there we go with the international champions of this year's First Lego League 2024. Let's celebrate them to Bishimide.
Congratulations once again to Federal Government College. You are the winners of FLL International Champions.
From
And now,
Nigeria.
ladies and gentlemen, the next will be the FLL AI Hackathon Champion and your 2024 FLL AI Hackathon Champion is École Secondaire de Kayonza.
Let's celebrate the AI Hackathon champions. Tubakomea mashi meshi chane. These are our champions for 2024 AI Hackathon.
Ladies and gentlemen, your First Lego League Artificial Intelligence Hackathon Champions are none other than École Secondaire de Kayonza. One more time, ladies and gentlemen, give it up for AI Hackathon Champion, École Secondaire de Kayonza.
Let us celebrate them one more time for our champions. And then, allow me at this moment, thank you, Your Excellency and Madam First Lady, for being with us today. A round of applause for our guests. Another round of applause for our guests as they depart. Thank you very much, Your Excellency and Madam First Lady, for your presence. We've come to the end. DJ, music please.